Welcome to the future of game development. Today we are building an Angry Bird style game using AI. No Unity, no game engine, just pure AI magic. Now let's dive into creating the Angry Bird game from scratch. We will be using AI tools like Claude AI and ChatGPT to generate everything from the code to the game mechanics. Before we start coding, let's understand the core mechanics of Angry Birds. It contains slingshot physics, obstacles, and the interaction between birds and blocks. These elements make the game engaging and fun. With the mechanics in the mind, now we create a basic wireframe of how the game will look. Slingshot on the left, birds and obstacle in the middle, and the target on the top. To begin coding, I use the specific prompt in Claude AI. The right prompt can make all the difference. You can use them too. Now let's head over the Claude AI website, paste the prompt, and let it generate the first draft of our game's code. Looks promising. Let's copy it. Here I am pasting the generated code into an online code editor and running it to see how it works. Hmm, the code didn't work as expected. Remember, weak prompt equals to weak result. Let's try again with the more detailed prompt. I am using ChatGPT now to get a more comprehensive and accurate prompt. Let's ask for something detailed. Here is an improved prompt. I will copy it and take it back to Claude AI for better result. We are back on the Claude AI. Let's paste the detailed prompt and, and generate a fresh version of the code. The new code is ready. Let's copy it and head back to the code editor. Now I have removed all the old code and pasted the new one. Time to run it and see what happens. Great. The slingshot works, but there is an issue with bird's velocity. I will tweak the speed by adjusting the values in the code until it feels just right. Next, I am writing a new prompt for Claude AI, asking it to add URLs for the bird, pigs, and the woodblock instead of plain CSS object. Claude AI is working on the new code now. Let's copy it once it's done and update our game. I have pasted the code but nothing showing up. It is because we haven't added the image URLs yet. I am adding the image URLs one by one into the code and tweaking the size by adjusting the X and Y scales. Now the objects are starting to appear. Let's do the same for the blocks and catapult. Time to launch the bird and see it in action. Great. Now for the finishing touch. All assets, background, game logo and catapult are gathered in one place. I am adding the background like music and changing some colors. We are almost done. I am adding Angry Bird logo using basic image tag along with some Tailwind CSS classes. The music goes in with an audio tag. To avoid music overpowering the gameplay, I am using a bit of JavaScript to lower the values from 1 from scale 1 to zero point 0.2. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool AI generated projects like this. Let's run the code and see the result. The result speaks for itself. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.